you guys are probably wondering why I'm carrying this ugly ass backpack, but inside it is my money bag. Never want to just carry a money bag around like this. Basically just says just rob me. So if you look inside, I have a shit ton of fucking money going in these ATMs. I actually got the ATM keys right here. Josh is about to pull out in the GTR, and then we about to bounce. I just got a notification actually that the ATM is low on cash, so we gotta head out ASAP. Let's get it, and stay tuned for the next little scene. Let me see if I can kind of get in there and show you guys how I actually refill it. So hopefully they let us do it because it's super sensitive in there. They don't really want cameras in there, but I'll try to make it happen for you guys. Boom.
Up the ATM, how to put the money in it. The money goes by pretty quick here. It's a marijuana dispensary, so you can tell. We would have brought the high quality camera in there, but they have a no camera roll. So
for sure, it makes sense. Yeah, so I obviously just probably took like what, 30 seconds to refill it?
Yeah.
30 seconds to refill it. We always do before the weekends. Today's Friday, obviously, just because
everyone's trying
tonight,
to get
yeah, tonight the guy said it gets crazy. It's actually one of the busiest days that actually people come in and actually, you know, get their little fix, you know. So that's basically why we came today, so we can kind of, like I said, just chill for the whole weekend. You know, we don't have to come back for the whole weekend. We're good.
Free money,
and
deposits.
you know, make some money on autopilot, which is pretty cool.
And when we went in there, it's funny because right when we went in there, somebody was already using the ATM, and then after we filled it up, somebody used it. So that's already money right there that we just made within like the 2 minutes that we were there.
For sure, yeah, no, for sure.
So
all
every time somebody goes in there, pull the money out, make money.
Yeah, I'm probably expecting like around 300 transactions just today.
Yeah.
For sure.
I mean, this is a big ass building. This is a big ass.
It's one of the biggest dispensers that I've seen, but I can't tell you exactly where, but it's a good, what we call like a high volume location, because there's just tons of volume. This is probably like the 7th time I actually came to refill this ATM, which is a good problem to have, you know? So, but yeah, so obviously we're gonna go to the next shop.
Yep.
Right now, we got one more shop to do, and then we're good for the day.
Let's get it. Alright, so we just got to the next marijuana dispensary right now. This one is actually a Bitcoin ATM. So I'm just gonna go up there, pull out my phone, open up Coinbase, doop, scan it. No, I'm playing. This is cash. This is cash.
Cash. That's why I'm wearing this ugly ass backpack, so nobody knows I have cash on me.
If we would have brought the Louis and the Gucci bag, we would have got knocked out.
get it strapped on, you know. So yeah, this is our second location today, and then like I said, we're just gonna kick it for the weekend, you know, see what happens. Hopefully I wanted to run out, right?
You don't.
But then I'm like, damn, okay, I gotta come and refill it. But like I said, you know, machine doing multiple, like I would say maybe 100 transactions a day is a good problem to have, for sure. And
one of the things too, for those guys that are interested in starting your own ATM business, as you make more money, you can use that money to reinvest back into the machine, to one, pay for the machine, two, put more money in the machine, and it's gonna get to a point where you can just throw so much money in each machine that you won't have to refill it, or you can pay somebody to refill it. We're just refilling it so we can kind of show you guys, you know, how it goes down. But we have about 28 more dispensaries that we're about to load ATMs into, and you best believe we're not gonna be filling 28, 30 dispensaries.
No, absolutely not. But we just wanted to make this video to show you guys that, look, we're doing it. We're not the only ones doing this. There's people out there doing it.
You use ATMs almost all the time when you go out, and it's cash only businesses. So
yeah, so
you're making somebody money.
Yeah. So the thing about it is, like, if you have money saved up, it's in the bank. It's not really going to make you money. You might as well put it in your own machine.
Yeah.
And you know, basically have people pay you to borrow your money. That's basically what you're doing.
Like a little bank, a little mini bank.
And the cool thing is like once you get to the point where you have ATMs everywhere, you can just borrow money from yourself and pay yourself.
Yeah.
You have your own little banks everywhere you go, so it's pretty cool. I actually done that already.
Yeah.
I actually needed to get some money, so I actually used one of my own ATMs, so it's pretty cool. So we're gonna walk in, we're gonna do this. I'm gonna try to do it within 30 seconds. Again, but yeah, man, this is it. This is real. And if you guys want to learn more, like I said, man, you know, let us know. We'd be happy to show you what's up.
So if you made it this far, you probably just saw Eric and myself go to marijuana dispensaries to put, you know, cash money inside of our ATMs. And the crazy thing, I think we actually talked about it while we were there, but while we were there, people were pulling money out, and when we were leaving, more people were pulling money out. And you know, marijuana dispensaries, you know, barber shops, any place that takes cash is a very, very good place to put ATMs, because you're gonna make a ton of money because people need money. Not only that, but you're gonna make more money as it accumulates over time, because if the place did not have an ATM at first, the people are gonna start going there and realizing that there's ATM, so they're gonna stop going and driving to other banks and pulling out from other stores ATMs. They're just gonna start going to that location. So it's actually a compounding business model that's gonna increase your revenue over time, because people are gonna start realizing, you know, repeat customers, that there's ATMs there.
Right, no, exactly. And so the thing about it, I think we all been there too. Like, I've been to a place where, like, damn, I need cash.
Yeah.
I don't want to go. My bank's like 3 miles away.
Yeah.
Right? There's an ATM right there. Right? I'm going to use it. So that's why this business model works. You know, people obviously are, you know, lazy. You know, they don't want to, you know, drive to go, you know, go to their bank just to get money out. And that's the cool thing about the business, is that you're basically essentially like, people are paying you to borrow money from you.
Yeah, you're pretty much essentially like a bank or a credit card.
Yeah, you're your own little bank.
know?
You have your own little banks.
You're making
everywhere.
interest off people.
Exactly.
And that's the only way to actually, like, when people say, you know, you gotta learn to make your money, make you money. Like, this is like the exact definition of actually having your money actually make you money. Like, yeah, you can invest here, you can invest there, but there's like risk. Like, this is like pretty much a no-risk business. As long as you're putting it in a place that has customers, you're gonna make money.
Yeah.
I mean, and you're never gonna lose money.
No.
This is the only business model that I can think of on top of my head where there's no risk. You can't lose money. Either the money sits in the ATM or you make money.
Exactly.
That's like, that's a no-risk business model. So it's pretty much guaranteed to make money, and especially when you're playing the long-term game. You know, it's almost like real estate. If you buy a house and somebody's renting it out, it's guaranteed to generate cash flow.
No, absolutely.
You know?
And that's the cool thing about this business, is that if I can do it, Josh and I can do it, anybody can really do it. You know, as long as you have a bank account, right, you can do this business. You know, because money's going to be direct deposited into your bank account every single day, which is pretty cool. So to break it down in simple terms, all you're doing is basically owning a machine. You're stocking it with cash. You put it in a location, and anytime anybody uses that machine, takes out money, right? You're basically charging them a fee, right? And that money gets direct deposited into your bank account once they take it out, which is pretty cool.
And
so
pretty much coming from their bank account. So that's where I was kind of confused at first. When I first was trying to lose the business model, I was like, if they're pulling money out my ATM, it's my money, how would it come back to me? Well, obviously, the reason they're pulling money out their ATM is because they're pulling money out their bank account. They're not pulling it out, you know, the ATM bank account. So when the ATM is giving, you know, the customer money, that money is being debited from their bank account and is going to your bank account instead.
Right, exactly. That's exactly how it works. So the cool thing, like Josh said, your money's just being recycled, right? Your money's in a safe, right? And when people want to use it, you're charging them to use it. So that's the cool thing about the business. I never seen a business model where, like, yeah, there's kind of no risk involved, really. Because with most businesses, you have to, like I said, you know, invest, and there's no guarantee you're going to get your money back. Right. But with this type of business, that's the cool thing about it, is that once you make the investment, right, and you're putting your money in, right, you're going to get it back as long as that place has customers, right? And so obviously you're not.
And if it doesn't have customers, you just move it to a different location.
Exactly.
Exactly.
You can always
no
move
risk.
You can move it anywhere you want.
Yeah, that's actually kind of crazy that I'm thinking about it right now, because I never even thought about that before. But there's really like no risk. You know, I get people all the time. You know, Josh, I have $500 saved up, $1,000 saved up, $5,000 saved up. You know, what do I do with my money? How do I make my money make money? And you know, and I don't want to have risk. I don't want to lose money. And I'm telling them, well, like, usually I'm like, well, dude, if you don't want to lose money, then there's no hope for you. You know, like, there's nothing I can tell you, because there's always going to be a risk. I can't guarantee you anything. But when I think about this business model, like, I can guarantee everything. It's kind of crazy, you know, as long as you follow, you know, simple steps, you follow a system that works, because, you know, you have to learn how to do it. Most people can't get into this business because they don't know how to do it. That's why you never hear about it. That's why you never hear people talking about it, because people who are doing it are not telling people about it.
Why would they?
Yeah, you know, because it creates, you know, like, it's just
competition.
Yeah. So most people aren't telling it, but the thing is, there's a huge marketplace for it, because the only people that are doing it are like 80-year-old, 90-year-old people. You know,
yeah, pretty much.
Who've been doing it for 20, 30, 40 years.
They have.
You know, and making crazy money. Like, especially for the young market, this hasn't been tapped into yet. So
not at all.
It's one of those businesses that's, you know, no risk, guaranteed to make money, you know, consistent cash flow, and it's like there's.
And the cool thing about this, you can do this just as a side hustle. So for those people that have like a full-time or even a part-time job, this is just like, I call it the ultimate side hustle.
Yeah.
You know, it's definitely a cool side hustle to have while you have a job, whether it's full-time or part-time, and now you're making money on your spare time, which is pretty cool.
You know, when I actually think about it, there's actually no reason to even have any money like in like your savings account besides like the money you need for your expenses, I see no reason to have money. Like, now that I think about it, I don't see any reason to really have any money like in your savings account besides like obviously you need money for your expenses. But if you have money that's just sitting there, like why would you not put in an ATM? You're gonna make more money every single day, and the money that you initially put in there is never like going away.
Exactly.
Like that's actually really crazy if you think about it. Like,
yeah, no, for sure. So if you guys obviously want to learn more about the ATM business, let us know. There's probably going to be a link below that can give you more information on it. We'd be happy to give you as much information as possible. But with that, man, it's a wrap. I think we gotta go.
Yeah, we gotta get back to work. But yeah, what I'll do, because I'm gonna throw this on YouTube,
right.
But I'll put a link. I know you made a roadmap.
Yeah.
A little basic was on your ebook or?
Yeah, so it's basically like a roadmap to get sent directly to your email. And it's basically
it's free, right?
It's free. It's absolutely 110% free. It's gonna give you information on the ATM business, and it's basically the steps that I took in creating my business, and I'm actually gonna show you the exact steps I took to building this business for free. So hopefully you guys get some free information. Hopefully you guys get value from this too.
I'll put the link in the description. Go click that, get the ATM roadmap. A lot of people have been asking us if we're gonna like release more information about it. We probably will.
Sure, yeah.
Release a training or something like that. But at least for now, you can get the free roadmap. So click that link. Let us know what you think. If you're interested in it, if you want to print cash, you want to make money printing cash, you want to let your money make you money. My bad is I tend to ramble a lot. You guys who have been following me for a while know I like to talk. But there's tons of ways to make money online. There's e-commerce, there's affiliate marketing. You can start your own social media agency, whatever it is. But especially for people, millennials, you gotta learn how to make your money. Make your money. When I first started making money, man, I was blowing it like crazy.
Yeah, I remember.
Blowing it like crazy. Blowing hundreds of thousands of dollars. And I don't regret it at all. I had a fun time. And now I make even more money. And I still spend more money than I did when I first started blowing it. But now I'm also investing a lot more money too.
Yeah.
So I invest a lot more money than I spend, and now my money's able to help me make more money. So yes, you might learn e-commerce. Yes, you might learn affiliate marketing. Yes, you might learn whatever it is of being an entrepreneur. But please, don't splurge on dumb things and learn how to really let your money make you money. Because you're young right now. Maybe you're 20, maybe you're 30, maybe you're 18. I don't know how old you are, but you'll thank yourself in 5 years from now when you have passive incomes of 10, 20, 30, 40, $50,000 a month because you took action today and you started investing today instead of spending it on dumb things. So hope you guys like this video. Make sure to subscribe. Eric's gonna start a YouTube channel, so if it's made by then, I'll put the link in the description. You can subscribe to Eric. Follow him on Instagram at JetSetEric. Yeah,
I'm gonna be documenting the whole ATM business, so for sure, yeah. So, and lifestyle too. Not just business, but I'm gonna show you guys the lifestyle that this actually business can create for you as well. I think that's very important.
And behind the scenes stuff. Gonna start putting out a lot more content, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's get rich.